Does this look familiar to you? Is this maybe a hairstyle you have and you just don't know how to fix it or restyle it? Well, I'm going to show you a way to do this in seconds that literally is going to help transform your hair and bring a lot more life to it. So if your hair is dry, right, you've showered, whatever, and you've completely dried your hair and it just falls flat, there's no sort of volume to it, there's nothing. What you need to do is maybe apply a little powder that I have, my talc powder, or a little sea salt spray like Tidal Wave, or a matte paste or something. And what you need to do is try to, if you're not used to doing this, try to mess up your hair. How do you do that? Well, take your hand, and what you want to start doing is actually kind of shaking the hair and shaking the palm of your hand on the hair, and try lifting like this. But also try going into a little bit of a circular motion, because that's going to help create some texture, right? And already you can see we're creating volume instantly. The last thing you want is for your hair to lay completely flat on your head. Instead, try to mess it up, use the palm of your hair, use that product, and just start to go in some sort of circular motion to create some sort of texture. And what that's going to do, it's going to give the hair a bit of a base so that it's going to stick up. You can see instantly this was transformed in seconds. Then from this point, if you feel like it's not, if it's too high, then you can start. You never want to go like this. I see so many people going like this when they style their hair, and look what's happening. Back to flat hair again, okay? Never do that. What you want to do is always use your fingertips like you're pinching the hair almost, or you're piecing it like this. And that's going to help you give that, or keep and maintain that volume. So here is where you can kind of tame it down a little bit, or push down on the top like this, and then just lightly tap down or shape where you want the flatter areas to be. But if you're looking for a bit more volume and texture throughout the front here, you need to go in with the fingers like this, and you need to kind of add some separation and twist the hair, mold it together, and then push down where you think it's a little too full, and then you end up having a much better hairstyle that within seconds you could fix. And again, it's all about using the right product, which I have loads of products. Use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. It's about using the right products, having the right haircut, and being able to style your hair. You can do this in seconds, anywhere you go. That's today's video. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.